Hello, I'm Erick, Artistic Director of Chor Leoni, and we invite you to Christmas with Chor Leoni, our upcoming Christmas concerts here at St. Andrews Wesley United. The Chor Leoni Christmas concerts, I think, occupy a unique recipe as far as what a musical event can be here. We have certainly in the city wonderful, lively entertainments that bring us all the sparkle of the holidays. We also have more serious fare that happens, and what we try to do is bring all of that together. Chor Leoni is Canada's most active and largest choral organization. It is an amateur choir, a volunteer choir. And so these singers, all 65 of them, come from their jobs, from their lives, working here in the Vancouver area, and come together every Wednesday night and rehearse and share in their music so that we can share with our community. I think that aspect of this sharing, whether it's our local concerts here, it's our online presentations, it's when we've toured all over the world, all of those things, I think, are an integral part of what brings people to Chor Leoni, what keeps them here, and what drives our mission as singers and as an organization. We invite all of you to come join us for our concerts this year, not just this Christmas concerts, but the rest of our concert season. It is a time of sharing, it is a time of being together, and I know of no other way to do it than with the sounds of Chor Leoni. If you want more information, please visit our website, chorleoni.org.